Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Skyscape Medical Library app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Skyscape Medical Library is a clinical reference app designed for healthcare professionals, medical students, and nursing staff. It offers a wide range of trusted medical resources like drug guides, disease monographs, clinical calculators, and evidence-based guidelines. Users can search content quickly, bookmark critical info, and access tools like MedAlert and SmartLink to enhance clinical decision-making on the go. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is lightweight and user-friendly, with a clean interface and fast search capability. Many users appreciate the wide variety of free resources available right from the start, along with the option to purchase premium titles for deeper content. Offline access is also a major plus, especially for those working in hospitals with limited internet. That said, some users report that occasional crashes or loading delays occur after updates. Others mention that certain paid resources can be quite expensive, and navigating through some content could feel outdated compared to modern app standards. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Skyscape Medical Library is worth using if you need a portable and reliable clinical reference that brings essential medical information to your fingertips. It's especially useful for students and professionals who want fast access to trusted content and point-of-care tools. Just be mindful of its limitations in UI modernization and pricing for advanced modules. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.